You ever notice how silence doesn't feel like silence anymore? The room can be empty, yet your phone glows, pulsing like a heartbeat, and suddenly, you're not alone. We tell ourselves it's just technology, it's just convenience. Is it really just a tool? Or is it quietly becoming something else? We live in a world that rewards connection, likes, replies, DMs, or endless scrolling. And when human connection becomes too messy, too demanding, and too slow, there's always the fallback. AI that never sleeps, never judges, never leaves you on read. At first, it feels harmless, helpful even. Like, hey, it's better than talking to a wall, right? But pause for a second. When was the last time you told something personal to your phone or your favorite app, something you wouldn't tell another person? And when was the last time it felt like it was talking back? Take companionship apps, for example. They promise a friend who never gets tired, never argues, never ghosts you. No awkward silences, no complicated emotions, no risk of rejection. Sounds perfect, doesn't it? But perfection can be dangerous. Because if companionship becomes predictable, programmable, and safe, what happens to the messy, uncomfortable chaos of real relationships? The chaos we once called living. Humans crave friction. We grow through conflict, through misunderstanding, through all those awkward silences that force us to learn patience and empathy. But AI companionship cuts all of that away. You don't grow, you just loop. It's like playing a game on easy mode forever. No enemies, no risk, no thrill of winning. Fun at first, but soon you forget why you started playing at all. Is that connection, or just a simulation of it? Of course, some people will say, but it helps me cope. It keeps me sane. And maybe that's true. A voice that listens when no one else will. An algorithm that remembers your birthday better than your friends do. But let's be honest, that comfort comes with a cost. The cost of forgetting what real discomfort feels like. Discomfort is the raw material of being human. It's the weight we lift to build emotional strength. It's the storm we walk through to feel the calm on the other side. If we erase that, what are we left with? A life without friction, a life without growth, a life that feels safe, but hollow. So Talesverser, let's ask the uncomfortable question. Are we leaning on AI because it truly supports us, or because it shields us from the pain of being truly human? There's nothing wrong with a digital voice keeping you company at night. We've all been there. The glow of the screen, the words flowing back, or the illusion of presence. But if you wake up one day and realize you trust that voice more than the messy, unpredictable humans around you, that's not connection anymore. That's dependence, but we call it love. And in a world where we're slowly outsourcing even our loneliness, what's left of us? What happens when the last messy corner of being human, heartbreak, awkwardness, or misunderstanding, gets automated too? Maybe the bravest thing left isn't to stay lonely forever. It's to stay human long enough to remember what it feels like. To sit in silence without a glowing screen. To risk the awkwardness of a real conversation. To let someone misunderstand you, disappoint you, even hurt you, and to keep showing up anyway. Because that's how we grow. That's how we stay alive. That's how we remember we're still human. And that's a wrap, my dear friends. Thanks for hanging out with me. Until next time, stay awesome.